ladies, before I forget, and before we wrap it up, I wanted to touch on two things I heard said. Patrice, you mentioned that when they get to a certain income, we want to do no longer an LLC, but did you say an S corp or something like that? Is that
So,
what you
right.
said?
So in a nutshell, right? And
Uh-huh.
most people, if you are a LLC or even a single member LLC, when you file with the IRS to get your EIN, you are automatically taxed as a disregarded entity, which means you're
Mm.
taxed as a as a self-employed person. Self-employed tax are taxed on their personal tax return on that Schedule C form. Okay. But once you start making a certain amount, and I normally would say anywhere between 80 to 100,000, and that's making it. That's your profit. That's not just because if your expenses are 80,000, then you're not making money, right? You're
Right.
breaking even, which is what a lot. But if you are making 80,000 and up, let's just say 85,000 to $100,000, that's when it's time for you to come and sit down with me, and we need to review and see, are you ready to go over into the next tax savings bracket, right? Which will be, you can still remain an LLC. You don't have to change your structure, but we need to change your tax, how you're taxed, your tax liability.